Hi guys, so welcome. Why do I say that? I say, hey babes. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Nicolegrace. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I am so happy to see your beautiful face. If you would like to, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down here so that you can be notified when I upload videos, and I can't wait to see you in my next ones in the future. That was a really long babble, and I don't know why I worded it like that. I don't know. I'm happy to see you. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of how to apply your false lashes. I've had a lot of people ask me about this. A lot of people that aren't really comfortable with applying false lashes. I think it's one of the hardest skills to master in makeup application, honestly, because you're really close to your eye. A lot of people have issues already applying like a liner, and that's on your eyelid. And you have to take tweezers and like glue, and it's just scary to a lot of people. So I tried to make my tutorial as least intimidating as possible. Is there another word for least intimidating? Like, is there another way to put that? Unintimidating? I don't know. But if you guys want to learn how to apply false lashes, I am going to be applying with these. There are a lot easier lashes. I would definitely call this more of an advanced lashes, but like Cocoa Risque lashes have little breaks in the band that makes it very easy to conform into your eye. I would definitely recommend checking those out. I think that they're like $7 a pair or something. So if you're interested in seeing how to apply false lashes, and hopefully it's a pretty foolproof technique, it does take practice, don't be discouraged. I just suggest trying, and when all else fails, try again. That's all I can say. Alright guys, so keep on watching if you want to see how to apply these lashes. Okay, so all we're going to need for this, which I think is super simple, is some eyelashes, obviously, which I'm going to be using Miss Kiss lashes in, I can't remember which ones these are, but I will put that down below. But these are what they look like, and I just got these ones. I haven't tried them before. I like them because on the inside, as you can see, it's a little bit less thick, and then it goes and tapers out into a really thick lash. I have already trimmed them, which is something that you will probably need to do as well. So this is how much I have to, okay, I have to trim off quite a bit, honestly, because I have smaller eyes, and you just need to make sure that you're trimming your lashes, otherwise they will end up making your eyes look super droopy. So you need a pair of tweezers, which doesn't really matter what kind of tweezers you use. And lash glue, I like the Duo brush-on adhesive with vitamins. I don't know if that really makes a difference, but this is my favorite lash glue. And honestly, some people go back and forth if you prefer a dark lash glue versus a clear glue. Like, how do you know which one you want? I prefer clear lash glues always, but there are other people that prefer the darker lash glues always, and then there's some people that are like, well, I like the clear lash glue when I'm not going to be wearing liner, and I like the dark lash glue when I am going to be wearing liner. I think that the clear lash glue is the easiest, and it's the most user-friendly because sometimes you put your lash on too high and then you have to move it down, and if you had the dark lash glue, there would be like blobs of glue where you touched your eyelid previously, and with the clear lash glue you don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to do things the way that I would normally do them. So just make sure that you have those two things, and then optional, of course, is the lash curler, which I was gonna say I don't know where mine is, but I just found it. So I just have this lash curler right here. I believe this is a Tweezerman. Yes, this is the Tweezerman lash curler. And then I have a mascara, which I'm going to be trying out a new one, which is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. So we'll see. I am going to do my lashes first, and then I will do mascara second. This is how I used to do things. I haven't done it this way in quite a while, but I remember how my lashes used to look, and I've been frustrated with putting on lashes lately, and I think this helps you be able to see a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off my right lash. I'm only going to be showing you the right one. After I get this one completely done, I'll go back and do the left one, and then we'll come back and finish the video. So before I start, I like to kind of shape my lash. So just kind of move it back and forth like this so that it conforms to your eyelid a little bit better. You don't have to fight it as much when you do this beforehand. And then I'm just going to take my lash glue, if I can get it open, and I'm going to brush it on just the band. You don't want to get it on the lashes at all. And I'm just doing a really nice thin layer. Apparently not right there though. And then we're gonna wait about a minute because we need to let the glue get tacky. Some people say 30 seconds, I say a minute. I think it's totally up to you. And another question that a lot of people ask is, where do you press the lash when you put it on? Do you put it on your lashes or do you put it on your skin? I personally try to get on the lashes just as close to my skin as I can. I think that that's how it looks the most natural. And when I'm putting this on, you're also going to see me that I'm looking down to put it on. It is going to look a lot better if you're looking down versus if you're looking straight up, or if you're placing your lash on while you're looking up, like say you're in the car and looking at the mirror. It's going to look a lot better and go on in a more natural way. If you put it on straight ahead, it tends to flip your lashes up too far and then they just look strange. But if you put it on while you're looking down, it tends to be the best application I have found, and it's a little bit easier to see what you're doing. So we still have a little bit longer to wait for this to dry. But you want to focus on putting it on the middle first. So I'm going to try to show this the best that I can, but I know that it can be a little bit hard to see sometimes. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I think you guys will be able to see if I do it this way. So the lash glue will start to turn clear. Like you see how in some spots it looks like there's no glue. There's glue on the entire thing. It's just starting to turn clear already, which means that we're almost at a point where we're good to go. I think this is the part where people make the biggest mistake, which is trying to put on your lash before the glue is tacky. It's just like school glue. So I am going to focus on putting it on the center first. And then I take my finger and put down the inner corners. And just like I said, you really focus on trying to get it as close as possible. I haven't worn these ones before, so I have found that lashes cooperate a lot better when you have worn them previously, because they're already sort of like bent to your eye shape. And then I like to go in with the tweezers and press my lashes into the false lashes. So it's kind of gonna look kind of funny because I don't have my mascara on yet. But you see how, like, I'll look down so you can see it's not perfectly close. I'd like it to be closer, but it's stuck now, and it's fine. Once I put mascara on, you probably won't be able to tell as much, but this lash is so pretty. I'm telling you guys, she does such a good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara on my lower lash line first. Oh, rookie mistake, look at that. This is a really flimsy, it's really bendy. And then I'm not going to be bringing this all the way through the false lash. This is really just to blend in my lashes. There we go. And once the mascara dries, I usually go back in with my finger instead of the tweezers, and then I press them down together. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then we'll come back and do that together, and you guys can see the finished look. I really love these lashes. Oh, my face itches. When in doubt, use a beauty sponge. They're pretty. I say they're pretty and I only have one on. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other one and then I will be back. Okay, so my lashes are on, and the last step that I did was I just go ahead and pinch them down so that my real lashes are nice and like coherent and blended in with the false lashes. It's kind of like the stuff that you do with the tweezers, except for I use my fingers to blend it together once they're completely dry and the mascara set in. You can just take these off and soak them in rubbing alcohol and use your fingers to peel off the glue once these are removed, and then reuse them. Do not throw them away. Lashes are too expensive to throw away, and honestly, like these lashes in particular, the Miss Kiss lashes, I can reuse these at least 15 times. They hold up so well, and I believe they're like 9 something on Amazon. 2-day shipping, comes to your door. I love her shop. I will always love her shop. I don't know why, but I feel like her lashes are literally the prettiest, most dramatic, and just like beautiful lashes that I have ever seen on the entire planet. Make sure that you guys are taking these off and you're cleaning them. The proper way to remove them would be to take a little cotton pad like this and some makeup remover or like micellar water on a Q-tip and just soak the lash band and then remove it. I don't do that. I do it the wrong way, which is I just grab it at the edge and I peel it off. I'm not gonna do that right now because I want to keep my lashes on. But that is the way that I remove them. It's just really satisfying. I don't know why. I talked about the lash curler, how it could be optional for applying your lashes. What I would do instead of taking the tweezers and conforming my lashes before you apply mascara, you don't want to do this after you apply mascara because you'll get a funny line that you won't be able to fix. But before you apply mascara, once you have your lashes on, you can go in and just use this. Like you put your lashes in between it and then clamp it down, and then it'll make them nice and conformed too. I just prefer the tweezers. I don't know why. I think it's easier for me. Maybe it's just because I've been doing it for so long, because I did used to use the lash curler. Why am I not? There it goes. I used to use the lash curler, and then I just gradually got to using tweezers for everything. I really am digging these. I haven't tried this style from her before. I have a lot of her other lashes. You'll see that I'm going to look down. They're not perfectly lined up with my eyelash, like you can especially tell on this one, or with my eyelid. I try to get as close as I can, but honestly you guys, you cannot tell. When my eyes are open, you can't tell that these aren't my real lashes. I mean, you can because of like how dramatic they are, but if you want them to be nice and seamless, applying it the way that I did, I promise you, is going to give you a very like nice, natural, like seamless appearance where it's going to be hard to tell that you are wearing them. So yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this sort of like teaching moment from me. I will try to do more videos like this in the future. I know I have my brow tutorial up, which will be linked down below if you would like to see that. And I am hoping to do more things like how to overdraw your lip, how to contour and highlight and things of that sort, or how to do skincare. I don't know. You guys tell me what type of videos you want to see in the future, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. I forgot which side it was on. And give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be notified of videos that I upload in the future, if you have not already, go ahead and go up to the top of my page and hit the little notification bell, and you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. I love these lashes so much.